Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Harlem by Langston Hughes. So this poem was written in 1951. This poem expresses the pain and the anguish of the African Americans whose dreams remained unrealized and unfulfilled. Hughes was against the discrimination that the black people had to face in America. Come to the text of the poem. So these are the lines. What happens to a dream deferred? So now speaker asks a question in the beginning of the poem. He says, what happens to a vision or dream of a community when it is ignored and delayed? Deferred means postponed, ignored and delayed. Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun? So he's talking about various possibilities. Okay. He asks whether this dream dries and shrink like a raisin when it is kept in the sun. Okay. Or fester like a sore and then run, or if it flows out like a pus from a painful wound. Pus is a yellow substance in an infected wound. Does it stink like rotten meat? So he further asks more questions. He says whether this dream or vision smells bad like a rotten meat, or it becomes sugary. It becomes like a sugary crust of a candy. Okay, or crust and sugar over like a syrupy sweet. That does it become sugary like a crust of candy? Maybe it just acts like a heavy load, or does it explode? So now the poet is saying that this dream might continue to burden the people who are suffering under it, or it might explode in order to get it acknowledged. Or does it explode means, or this is going to explode in order to get it acknowledged. So basically here we see that Langston Hughes is supporting the demands of black people for equality and justice in America. So here the poem ends.